para tragais yung kanyang hustle na ganyan. Sana naman magtuloy hanggang sa matapos ng laro dito.
Yes, Natividad gives the ball to Natividad. The shot clock is at 10. Natividad flies and scores for 2. Grabe, partner. Hindi pa nakakaano, pero ina-anticipate ko na makakascore na. Guys, loses the ball. Natividad passes to Viernes. Viernes waits for Malinao and scores for 2.
Para Alisay.
Natividad. Attack. Natividad. Squeezes in. Scores for 2. Grabe.
Grabe yung kumpiyansa nitong Natividad.
Grabe, partner. Kaya na. Stolen by Natividad. Natividad for 3.
Look at that! Look at that! That's the confidence!
Ayan, maraming salamat Coach John and Kapa Morgan. We are currently witnessing a neck-to-neck battle between these two equally matched teams.
Pero si Viernes binigay kay Natividad. Drops it up. Arreola sa ilalim. Using the glass and scores for 2.
Grabe yung mga extra passes nitong kapula ng Paracale. Just dito ng Paracale.
Natividad for 3. Come on!
Yes! They needed that shot badly. Nice decision on the part of Natividad. Not forcing the shot, pero this time, titira na ako, sabi niya.
Grabe, partner. Kita mo kung how
Matalino.
yung patience sa pagdating sa opensa. Ito kung si Natividad kanina, wala siyang clear shot, so he opted to attack the basket and yun na nga, nakakuha pa siya ng foul.
Orejola could have passed into Viernes. And there you go.
And what a steal by Natividad. Is in a foot race. Natividad. Free throw jumper. Come on.
What a nice shot from Natividad. Very composed talaga itong batang ito.
Seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Natividad. Easy. Partner.
Pero lumalabas yung tatlong pimples niya.
Yes, and si Natividad. Spins. Gives the ball to Manao. For 3.
Grabe,
Wow.
even Ismael Manaog is hitting threes. And will try to hit those 2-pointers.
Pero si Natividad. For 3. Come on!
Iba talaga ang confidence nitong batang ito. And there you go, another steal.
Natividad for 3. Come on! And a turnover. And si Orejola. Guarded by Frasio. May pick na binigay si Manaog. Hands it up to Natividad. Fakes. Kicks it out to Viernes. Corner 3. Come on!
And there you go, that's his fourth three-pointer of the ball game.
No good again.
And there you go,
And si
3
Natividad.
against 2.
Binigay kay Orejola.
Easy 2 for Orejola. Nice pass from Dan Natividad.
What a split by Natividad. Natividad with the ball. Hanging in mid-air. And scores for 2.
Natividad.
What a shot and a spin.
Ayan na. Transition play.
All alone is Natividad for 2. Sayang ng partner.
Oh, and congratulations once again sa winner ng isang brand new Yamaha YTX motorcycle. Ayan, kagaya ng game 1 na namigay din tayo. Ngayon, namigay pa rin tayo. Sorry, miss.
Ayan again si Viernes. Corner 3.
Bang! Don't leave him. Oh.
Natividad all alone.
Parang hamstring niya ata. Hindi natin alam.
Nakuha ni Orejola. Natividad is in a foot race. Gives the ball to Viernes. This time he makes sure he shoots the ball.
Ganda ng baseball pass nitong si Dan Natividad.
And si what an hesitation move, partner. Kita mo yun. Reading the defense. Hesitates, attack the baseline, and with the reverse, partner.
Only a very talented player can do that.
Natividad. The top of the key against Pedregosa. Natividad. High in the
Nice
sky.
lob!
And I guess that's it.